on 22 we're trying to rewrite it with a positive rational exponent. We need to be careful because of this negative sign here. It's actually a negative 1 times 64 to the negative 2/3. So then I'm going to write it with a positive exponent, so I need to move it down to the denominator and then make it a positive exponent. And then I can actually convert that exponent into a radical and then simplify. So this will be negative 1 over cubed root of 64 squared, and then the cubed root of 64 is 4, and then 4 squared is 16. So this will be negative 1 over 16. With 23, I'm going to move that to the denominator, and this is actually going to be okay for a final answer. So if you want to convert it to radical form, you can. But there's really no way that I can simplify this anymore. Versus on 22, you can actually take the cubed root of 64, but I can't do that on this one. So either one of those will be okay for our answer.